Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ibrahim Sabil and you call me Abil and I'm from to TKJ class or engineering class and today I want to tell you about the what is key value. Key value in EGRP. Okay, I want to tell about EGRP first. EGRP or Engineered Interior Gateway Routing Protocol is a routing protocol used in a computer network to convey information about how data should be direct between router and destination network. EGRP is metric called key value or key factor to calculate the best path or route to be used by data package in the network. A K-value R factor is in the EGRP metric calculation to determine the best path. There are five main K-value in EGRP. First, K1. K1 is bandwidth. This is a factor that measures the minimum bandwidth on the path on to the destination. To the higher the K1 value, the less significant bandwidth become in the metric calculation. And the second is key to or load. This factor the load on the pad. The higher the key to value, the higher the load that can be routed before the pad is considered inadequate. And then the third is K3 or delay. This factor measures the delay in data transmission through the path. The higher the K3 value, the greater the delay that can be rel- routed before the path is considered inadequate. And then the the next is K4. K4 is the reliability. This factor is related to the reliability of the path. The higher the K4 value, the lower the reliability that can be tolerated tolerated before the path is considered inadequate. And then the last is K5 or MTU, maximum transmission unit. This factor related to the maximum size of data package that can be transmitted through the path, the higher the K5 value. The smaller the MTU that can be tolerated before the path is considered inadequate. Okay, this key value can be adjusted in the HRP configuration or router to modify how the metric is calculated and the consequence. Consequently, the best path consumed by the protocol, the default value for K1, K2, K3, and the K4, and the last K5 are all 1. So, when you don't change the EGRP will only consider bandwidth and load factor in the metric calculation. Charging test key value can help you optimize router according to your network preference and the requirement. Uh, Okay, next, how to coding metric. I have CPT. We go to the CPT Cisco Packet Tracer, and then first you open the Cisco Packet Tracer, and then this one. I have a topology for router and then one PC. We have to route from high route or from high route or lower route, and then first you open the router and then you search show IP route, show IP route, and this one and no, sorry, show IP route EGRP. Then if you look from this is flag D is EGRP, and then if you look uh IP 30 IP 30 from this one to connect via IP 10.10.10 in this one, and then from the route high route from the IP 30 from IP to IP 10.10.10 go to from to IP 30, and then if you look IP 40.40.40 from this one via IP look 20, and then if you uh look IP 192 until point 168.10 one you have to route route from IP 10 via 10.10.10 and then via 20 and then I want to tell you about the how coding for metric. First, if you look the router 0, you search show interface FA FA 0/0, and then if you look this one MTU-nya MTU 115 100 1500, and then bandwidthnya 1000, and then delay-nya 100 eh 10,000, and then the delay-nya 100. So I want to tell you about the caution. First, uh, the counting metric. You search you click IP, you search in show in IP. Oh no, I want to give you I want to look if you routing K1 K value, the configuration is one. So IP so interface also IP so oh what is this? So sorry, IP show IP protocol. Oh, show IP protocol, and then this one. This is default value is K1 is 1, and K2 0, and K3 1, and K4 0, and the K5 0 is default from the metric, the default value. And then today and and then we want to coding metric. First, the rumus metric is uh 10 uh 10 rank 7 10 rank 7 uh uh what to say. Okay, I think this one lah. From this one, if you look this 100 100 sorry, this is w- one 10 million, uh 10 million, sorry. Okay, metric 1 million define 10,000 10,000, and then plus 200, and then kali 25, and then what ya, define 256. Okay, the first you open the calculator, I think, and then you search 1 million. Ooh, and then you define uh one 100, and then uh okay, this one metric metric uh sorry, this one and then plus from from 200 from the this one. If you look at this the bandwidth uh, for so one is the delay is 100 plus, and then why is 200 because 100 plus 100 is the is 200, and then plus 200 plus 200, sorry, plus 200, and then kali 256. Okay, and after this you 100 plus 200, and then some 100 plus plus sorry plus 200 and 300, and then after 300 you kali 256, and then 3 kali 256, and then mm, kali 256 three 300 kali 256, oke, 7.000 apa lagi, so the uh, the metric for the 7 from the 76,000 and 1800. Okay, so the metric from the this one is 7,600. Okay, this is the metric 700. Okay, 76100, this metric. Okay, the next configuration is how to make redistribute AGRP redistribute to SPF. Okay, I want to give you for the sample. Okay, today I want to make you how to make router redistribute AGRP to SPF. First, you click the router random from the random router, and then you choose 3 router, 1, 2, and 3, and then you config the router, and then don't forget to use the cable, lightning cable, and then you connect this one and then this one. After this you open the router, and then you connect CLI, and then no, then enable konfigurasi terminal, and then interface FA no slash null, and then no shutdown, and then IP address uh IP address 10 what 10 10 and then 10 and then 1, and then 255 and 0, and then after this you open the router 6, and then you open the CLI, and then no, and then enable, and then konfigurasi terminal, and then interface FA no 0/0, and then no shutdown, and then IP address 10.10.2, and then 255.255.255.0, and then interface FA 0/1, and then no shutdown, and then IP address 20.20.20.1, and then 255.255.255, and then 0, and then you close the router 2, and then you open the router 3, and then you click CLI, and then after this you click no, and then enable, and then konfigurasi terminal, and then you interface open the interface FA no/0, and then no shutdown, and then IP address 20.20.22, and then 255 and 255, and then 0, and then after this you configuration EGRP redistribute to SPF. Okay, sorry. Okay, you open the router one and then you configuration like this. Router OSPF one and then network 10 until point 10 point 10 point 0 from 000 area 0 and then network same with 20 20 20 0 and then 0.0.0.0 and then area 0 and then your configuration. Don't forget to configure EGRP router EGRP1 and then network 10.10.10.0 and then don't forget to use the wheel card 0.0.0.255 and then don't forget this one that 20.20.20.0 and then 0.0.0.255 and then enter and then don't forget to redistribute OSPF sorry I forgot and then you open this one again you redistribute metric one and then metricnya one one until 5 1 2 3 4 5 and then enter so you check so and then after this you search so IP root EGRP and then if you done so maybe that's for me wabillahi taufiq. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.